What's your name, Rockstar?
Rockstar Cooper.
You're jamming, huh? Whoa, whoa. Watch out, Rockstar. Whoa.
Oh, really cute. Rockstar, Mom. Rockstar there.
Say, buddy.
Let's rock. Let's go here. Do the drums, Mom. Do the drums. You did the piano, and he did the drums.
I do the what?
Piano.
Piano?
Yeah, and Dad did the drums. And I did record. There! There!
What? Whoa! Oh, Coop.
That's what rock stars do.
You been to some rock concerts?
Yeah, that rock stars do.
How you know that?
That rock stars do.
How you know that?
Because they do.
Where'd you,
They do.
where'd you see that at?
At the rock star piano. At the movie.
At the movie?
At Rockstar 2.
Whoa. Ooh, I'm gonna have to send this to Aunt Gina. She's gonna love it. Hey, Gina's a rock star too, Coop. Say, rock on, Gina.
Give her one of these.
What about Uncle Ash? Coop, what about Uncle Ash?
Give him one of these.
Yeah.
Look. Give him one of these.
What about Ori? Oh. Oh, it's okay, huh? Take a bow, dude. You gotta take a break. You want something to drink?
Nope.
Take a little break from that rock concert?
Nope. Not yet. Not yet.